My name is Claire. I'm your image consultant. I build your confidence to make a difference in your world. Q, please tell me a little bit of your lifestyle.
So what I love to do in my life is work out. I love going to the gym, helping and motivating others, and modeling, of course, and sometimes getting dressed up.
So tell me a little bit of your makeup routine.
My makeup routine, because I'm a fitness trainer, so makeup isn't my #1 thing to do. So I am still learning. The only thing I really do for my makeup routine is like my eyebrows and eyelashes. So I'm trying to learn how to better do my eyebrows and foundation. I'm just getting into learning how to do makeup.
So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna just really work on simple, quick makeup under 5 minutes that works for Q. Since she's a fitness coach, don't have a lot of time, she wants something easy and straightforward. We're gonna work on just a little bit of your complexion, do a natural eyebrow, little bit of eyeshadow to make it pop, finish the lip gloss, let the summer glow.
Yeah.
How does that feel? Does it feel like you have any makeup on?
No.
It looks really nice and light.
I like how you're dabbing too.
Dabbing is definitely a quick technique that you can use a small amount, but you actually don't need to use a lot. And I always say little goes a long way. And you always want to make sure it really blend into your skin. Because sometimes what happens when people wear their foundation, they don't blend it well. You get to see that streaky color. You always want to make sure that you bring the color foundation down to around your chin area. Make sure that you really blend in the color, so it looks like you have no makeup on. And then definitely around the foreheads, you want to make sure you really blend into the foreheads. So it looks like it's one canvas, so this doesn't show like there are two colors on. You want to make sure that, and then around the chin, around the nose, at the same time you can also you don't actually need to use concealers. And then all I use is a very tiny bit of amount. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you on the mirror so you can have a look. Have a look.
Ooh, definitely much like
you can feel the skin.
Really
nice. You can feel the skin is not heavy, and really make sure you see the chin, and then around your neckline, it looks like the same color. So it doesn't look like you have two different shapes, and then really just to give you that summer glow. So the next thing what we're gonna do now, we're gonna fix our eyebrows really quick. Because you already have a beautiful face to begin with, you have such a perfect oval face. So for brows, I always say brows are so important. It's the essential of your face shape. So for you to your brows, I would say really keep your brow soft, nice and soft. So you don't want to do a really strong look. We're gonna do just some eyeshadow colors. Do some like really nice, just a taupey with a bit of a gold in there to really make your eyes pop. So I would say start very little. You don't want to start too much, especially when you're putting eyeshadow. Do the tapping technique. Take a little bit, okay, and then take that excess out of you before you start applying. So now we're gonna apply it. Start from your lash lines and then blend it up. Remember, the look we're trying to create is a really nice and soft, natural looking. Nothing smoky, as Q wants something easy and quick. a really one shade tone.
Ooh.
But that kind of just makes your eyes pop already.
Yeah.
We soften your brows. So what we can do is, all we're gonna do to finish is to really highlight your brows a little bit. And then finish with the eyeliner. Just kind of make your eyes pop. So you can actually see the mirror. You can actually see the before. This one will just really highlight around the crease area. And then you can see this one. So now this, you can actually make your eyes pop. So instead of using a black, I have chosen a dark electric blue. So it's actually gonna add that contrast. Because we got the soft paint, metallic, gold finish with the blue. So the whole combo is you have that deep layering, you have the different textures. So instead of using the black sometimes can drag down the whole entire look. So the whole point is that as you think about makeup, is to make the whole face pop.
Yeah, because sometimes when I wear black eyeliner, it's too dark.
It can be a bit strong. So with this, we're gonna just finish a little bit eyeliner with the blue color. And then always start with the middle lash lines, blendings. We just really want to create a very soft look. We always want to make sure we put a little bit of blush because blush is just such a great thing to finish the whole look. So with Q, I'm using a nice, it has a little bit orange tone in there. So all we do is just gonna dab it. We want to keep this look as natural as possible. It's really about that summer glow. So really give her like she has makeup, but it doesn't even look like she has makeup on. So you can always take the excess just to kind of blend it to your hairlines. So it doesn't look, you're not wasting the product. Last things, of course, you never want to forget about lips. The lip is the most sexiest things of a woman's weapon, I would say. So
Yep.
Let's just finish adding a little bit, kind of like a little bit pinkish, orange tones. Lip gloss on her. Look, it's really just under 10 minutes. What we have done is that we have accentuated her complexion to keep it really nice and natural. We softened her eyebrows. We makes her eyes pop. Wearing just a bit of eyeshadow, finish with a blue eyeliner, add in a little bit of cheek, and then finish a nice orangey, a bit pink lip gloss.